Presented in part by Pizza Hut. Great pizza, $5 every day. Pizza Mia pizzas only from Pizza Hut.
Everybody's talking about the great taste of Pizza Hut's new Pizza Mia pizza. The rich, whole milk mozzarella. The sauce made from vine-ripened California tomatoes. And a perfectly baked crust.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bronx County in southeast New York, Kings County in southeast New York, New York County in southeast New York, Queens County in southeast New York, Richmond County in southeast New York, until 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the arrival mark moving east at 25 miles per hour hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be in New Rochelle around 12:01 p.m. Port Chester around 12:07 p.m. Greenwich around 12:12 p.m. Stamford around 12:18 p.m. Norwalk around 12:23 p.m. Bridgeport around 12:39 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Seek shelter now.
Highest quality possible. PEG TV, public education, and government television. Your voice, your community, your PEG.
Shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you.
Your cat will always be reminded of how much you love her, because you fulfill her desires with Fancy Feast Gourmet Gold dry food for cats. Delight her with filet mignon flavor with real seafood and shrimp.
Dream a little dream of me.
Is it love or is it Fancy Feast?
If you're eligible for Medicare, I have 3 things you'll want to hear. There's
A flood warning has been issued for Bronx County, Kings County, New York County, Queens County, and Richmond County, effective until 2:20 p.m.
Juice with a full serving of vegetables, a full serving of fruit, and antioxidants A, C, and E. You get vegetable nutrition we all need, but what you taste is the fruit. Plus, there's no added sugar and no preservatives. Try V.
and more people bring home Smucker's jams and jellies than any other brand. Jif and Smucker's. It's the great American PB&J.
I was pretty nervous, apprehensive.
Just talked to Tom. I was joining the Army at first. Did research on my own. Tried to get an idea about what the Army...
Company, you've been our customer for a long time. Now Vonage wants to change all that.
Well, over 2 million people have already switched to Vonage.
Oh, really? Don't they miss...
Gives you great savings on thousands of name brand and generic medications.
With Walgreens Prescription Savings Club, my 3-month supply of generics was just $12.99.
Bring in your prescription bottles and get a report showing how much you'll save, plus $50 in coupons free. Walgreens, the pharmacy America trusts.
I am Ron.
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a tornado watch for Bronx County in southeast New York, Kings County in southeast New York, New York County in southeast New York, Queens County in southeast New York, Richmond County in southeast New York until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Conditions are favorable for the development of tornadoes in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for possible tornadoes and be prepared to take action if a tornado warning is issued. In addition, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect until 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and it may be extended should conditions worsen. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for a development of a tornado, while a tornado warning means that a tornado is on the ground or detected by radars. Stay tuned to your local media or local NOAA radio station for future updates.
Renters, if only you could manage to stay on that quitting road. Discover prescription Chantix. The Chantix approach is twofold. A non-nicotine pill with
but on diets stay in and eat alone is yet another reason diets don't work. Weight Watchers does. Because you learn to just eat right wherever you are, so you can lose weight and live life, which for most people includes restaurants. Join now and get free registration and a new Kickstart toolkit. Weight Watchers, stop dieting.
Oh, it's gonna take me hours to get dry.
Keep wasting. They'll never know what hit them till they get the energy bill.
What the? Boss, they're home!
National Weather Service in Upton has issued high wind warning for Bronx County in southeast New York, Kings County in southeast New York, New York County in southeast New York, Queens County in southeast New York, Richmond County in southeast New York, Nassau County in southeast New York, Suffolk County in southeast New York until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Gusty winds that blow around unsecured objects and bring on tree limbs and power lines. Power outages are possible. Traffic could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds are developing and will continue through the evening. Northeast winds 50 to 60 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Remember, a high wind warning means that high winds of at least 40 miles per hour are occurring. Stay indoors as much as possible. Do not go outside unless it is essential. In addition, a severe thunderstorm warning is no longer in effect. However, the tornado watch still remains in effect and has been extended to the counties of Nassau and Suffolk.
Be reminded of how much you love her, because you fulfill her desires with Fancy Feast Gourmet Gold dry food for cats. Delight her with filet mignon flavor with real seafood and shrimp.
Internet and phone service together. Just to get TV from you now, don't I need a satellite dish?
Call 1-800-OK-CABLE and experience Time Warner Cable's advanced fiber network with the triple play. Cable, high-speed internet, and home phone service. Just $89.95 a month for the first 12 months. Get the triple play and say goodbye to Verizon.
Ooh, you're looking a little bunched up. Need some help?
The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a tornado warning for Bronx County in southeast New York, Kings County in southeast New York, New York County in southeast New York, Queens County in southeast New York, Richmond County in southeast New York, Nassau County in southeast New York, Suffolk County in southeast New York until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near St. George, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, source radar indicated rotation, impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, trees, windows, and vehicles will occur. This dangerous storm will hit near Richmond County at 3:58 p.m., Kings County at 4:10 p.m., New York County at 4:20 p.m., Bronx County at 4:29 p.m., Queens County at 4:35 p.m., Nassau County at 4:44 p.m., Suffolk County at 4:51 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is also occurring. Do not wait to see or hear a tornado, as it will be too late to seek shelter. In addition, the high wind warning still remains in effect until 5:50 p.m.
help it take care of itself.
Introducing Intense Skin Repair from dermatologist-developed Lubriderm. It helps rough, dry skin heal itself, like healthy skin does naturally. Every drop has unique time-release technology and is clinically shown to moisturize for 24 hours, helping dry skin repair itself, so it heals.
Smooth, healthy skin that lasts all day. That takes care of that.
Help your skin help itself with new Intense Skin Repair from Lubriderm, the healthy skin experts.
I used to use a gel, and when I
Tornado emergency for the New York City and Long Island area. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Bronx County in southeast New York, Kings County in southeast New York, New York County in southeast New York, Queens County in southeast New York, Richmond County in southeast New York, Nassau County in southeast New York, Suffolk County in southeast New York. Until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 3:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Midland, moving east at 79 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the New York City and Long Island area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those without shelter. No homes will be destroyed. Consider damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles as likely and complete destruction as possible. This tornado will be near Richmond at 3:50 p.m., Kings County at 3:57 p.m., New York County at 4:04 p.m., Bronx County at 4:10 p.m., Nassau County at 4:15 p.m., Suffolk County at 4:27 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in an overload, a meeting, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. In addition, a high wind warning remains in effect until 5:50 p.m.
This is an emergency update from Pix 11 News. The tornado that struck that area has recently dissipated and the danger it posed is no longer present. Residents are now safe to leave their homes. However, the New York City and Long Island area has sustained major damages, with the worst of the damages being in portions Brooklyn, Queens, and Nassau. Police and medical officials are on their way to access damages, but it is unknown when they will arrive to help citizens. That is all the information we have at the moment. Thank you for tuning into this emergency program, and remain safe during these trying times. My name is Nathan Carlson. Stay tuned to Pix 11.
Up next.
I know how things stand. Just let me do this one thing.
Gramps, where are we going?
Look.
When Charlie and Me continues, a priceless work of art disappears.
It's one of the most famous.
following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Emergency Management Agency. Due to the tornado that struck the New York City metropolitan area, along with the Long Island area, we ask all residents that they do not attempt to evacuate. Instead, shelter in place and await for emergency services to arrive. They are already on their way to assist citizens. If you attempt to evacuate, you may put your life in risk. Remain tuned to local media for future updates.
Medicated lotion, the moisturizing fix that medicates the itch.
Introducing Payne's newest Vanishing Act.
New Icy Hot Vanishing Scent. Now the power of Icy Hot glides on icy to dull pain,